Fanjie, a restaurant in rapid franchise expansion, has added 200 new franchises within a year. We use kitchen robots to facilitate the expansion of the brand. Less than 50,000 RMB franchise fee can let you have a store with 50,000 orders every month.
我们现在的话，一天是1000多单。
1,000 orders per day, with daily revenue of over 16,000 RMB and monthly revenue of 400,000 to 500,000. We cannot even imagine how a small restaurant like this could take nearly 2,000 orders every day. The fast food production model used to require many cooks to cover the demands. But unexpectedly, 3 machines solved our problem. The operation is relatively easy. During morning peaks, 1 person can manage the 3 machines. There is no need for lots of people being in the kitchen. More labor is put into packing. Comparatively speaking, I saved the 2 cooks just to save the least. As for our order volume, a franchise needs at least 2 to 3 cooks. It is impossible to do it with only 1 layperson. I had a simple understanding of the machine at first. I thought it was just a stir-frying machine. After using it for a while, I know better how it functions. So we're now adding some stews that are also made by the machine, and we use it to cook other types of cuisines to enrich our products. As for a fast food restaurant, customers expect fast menu updates. Generally speaking, the location of your store will determine who your customers are. If the menu is not upgraded for a long time, customers will gradually drift away. In this aspect, the Botinkit kitchen robot can help us with starting a restaurant and stabilizing the business.
Botinkit Max kitchen robot, through its refined and stable automatic operation, created a 1 person managing 3 machines highly labor-efficient cooking pattern, so the restaurant owners and managers can save the cost of recruiting, training, and managing cooks. They just need to find a store and a franchisee, and within a year, the brand will be able to have 200 more franchises.